In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build and publish an app with Base44. We'll move from a blank slate to a live app in just a few simple stages, and I'll share tips along the way to keep things smooth and predictable. First, head to Base44, sign up or log in, and create a new project. Choose a clear, descriptive project name so you can find it easily later. Think of this as your workspace. Everything you build and test will live here. If you're new, don't worry. Creating a project is quick, and you can always rename it as your idea evolves. Next, open the AI chat and describe what you want your app to do. Be specific and action-oriented. For example, explain who the users are, what they should be able to see or click, and what the app should do in response. Mention any data the app should capture or display and the outcomes you want, like creating records, filtering lists, or showing confirmation messages. Clear, concise instructions help the AI assemble a solid first version. Avoid adding any sensitive information. Keep your description high level and functional. As soon as you submit your prompt, you'll see your app come to life in the preview panel. This is your sandbox. Click through buttons, navigate between screens, and try typical user flows you described. If something doesn't behave the way you expected, make a note of it. You can return to the AI chat and clarify your prompt or adjust things manually. Testing early helps you catch gaps before you invest time in styling. Now it's time to customize. Use the visual editor to refine layout, colors, and features, or continue with AI prompts if you prefer describing changes in plain language. Align spacing, update text, choose a color palette that fits your brand, and make sure key actions are easy to find. Keep accessibility in mind by maintaining good color contrast and clear labels. Small tweaks like consistent button sizes and predictable navigation make the experience feel polished. Save your changes as you iterate so you can roll back if needed. When you're happy with the result, publish or export your app. Publishing is the fastest way to make it available for others to use. Exporting gives you files you can deploy elsewhere. Before you finalize, do one last pass in the preview to confirm that navigation, forms, and any key interactions behave as expected. Then go ahead and publish or export and share your app confidently. That's it. You've signed in, described your vision, tested, customized, and shipped your app with Base44. Keep iterating and enjoy building.